So if you guys want to talk while I'm coming over there, go ahead and talk.
What do you think about this, you fucking chin puppet? That's what I think about it. Wait, hang on, I guzzled that beer, I might be burping.
Y'all gotta go to the right.
I'm on the first day of Christmas.
Go to the right. Go to the right. Go to the right.
We can't, Mark.
Mark, that's
Move
as
the
far as I
camera.
can go.
Okay, you ready?
You guys gotta get your heads closer. All right.
Oh, your arm, Christy. I can't put my tit there.
Okay.
Hey, Christy, start.
Carrie,
What, Rob? Hurry up, Mike.
Rob.
I mean, what?
Just go ahead, let's do it.
No.
Carrie, I see your
Mark.
nose.
Whatever
There you
the
go.
fuck your
You
name
can
is.
cut it
Okay,
out.
ready? Go, Christy. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Oh, back in a fucking tree.
Go, Carrie.
Go. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 bags of fucking and a wet pack in a fruit tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 legal farmers, 2 bags of fucking and a wet pack in a fruit tree. On the first day of on the fourth. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
Cut!
Okay, that's good enough for practice.
Okay, let's see how it turns out with
Holy
Mike.
fuck, fucking then Lily the dog.
guys, take a break and we'll
And
look at it.
Scotty's got a
You
muddy
know what, though?
face. You guys on YouTube, but people I watch people
Right
on
there is
YouTube
perfect.
and shit,